Did you know your brain gives off a faint light? It's not just a poetic idea, your brain literally emits tiny flashes of light, even as you're sitting here listening to this video. No, it is not glowing because it is magical, or because you're a superhero with a radioactive mind. But scientists say this tiny glow might actually reveal how your brain works. It's a real phenomenon that's been puzzling and exciting researchers for years. Every thought, memory, and decision you make produces a teeny tiny amount of light inside your brain. Imagine, every time you solve a puzzle, remember a friend's name, or even daydream, your brain is lighting up in its own secret way. It is called biophotons. These are ultra-weak photons, particles of light, produced by the chemical reactions happening inside your brain cells. And even though it is too faint to see with your eyes, researchers have developed ways to measure it. They use incredibly sensitive cameras and detectors, often in pitch-black labs, to catch these elusive flashes. Let us dive in, because understanding this glow could unlock new secrets about how our minds work. Biophotons are light particles that are naturally emitted by your cells. They're not just in your brain, your whole body produces them, but the brain is where things get really interesting. Your brain cells, neurons, release them when they communicate. This happens during the complex chemical reactions that power your thoughts and feelings. Think of it as tiny sparks flying whenever your neurons chat. It's like a microscopic light show happening in your head every second of every day. Here is the crazy part. The intensity of this light seems to match brain activity. When you're deep in thought, certain regions of your brain glow a little brighter. More thinking, more focusing, or even remembering something might make certain areas glow brighter. It's almost as if your brain is sending out a signal showing which parts are working hardest. Scientists are still figuring out how these faint flashes connect to cognition, but it is a peek into the brain's secret communication system. Some even wonder if biophotons could play a role in how information travels inside the brain, beyond just electrical signals. Researchers hope studying biophotons could reveal patterns about brain health. If we can map these light emissions, we might spot early warning signs of disease or changes in mental state. Imagine detecting early signs of Alzheimer's, or tracking mental focus by simply measuring the brain's glow. This could revolutionize how we diagnose and treat brain disorders. It is like giving the brain a tiny flashlight so we can watch it work. This could help doctors, scientists, and maybe even teachers understand how our brains learn and adapt. Fun fact: the amount of light your brain emits is less than 1,000th of a candle's flame. It's so faint that if you were in a completely dark room, you'd never notice it. Tiny but mighty in revealing what is going on inside. Even though it's minuscule, this glow could be the key to unlocking mysteries about consciousness and intelligence. So next time someone says, "You light up the room with your brain," maybe they are closer to the truth than you think. Your thoughts really do shine, in the most literal sense. Your brain really does give off a faint glow, and it might just tell us secrets about how we think, learn, and remember. Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll be able to read these glows like a map of your mind's activity. If you found this brain fact illuminating, hit subscribe for more mind-blowing science. There's a whole universe of wonders inside your head. Let's explore it together.